Hello, good morning everyone. Today I would like to teach you on the trigonometry Fourier series. Okay, so this is the formula for the expression of the trigonometry form of Fourier series. That is the xt equal to the a naught plus summation of the an cos n omega dot t plus bn sin n omega dot t. So this is referred the front part is referred to the DC. Okay, the behind part is called the AC. So somehow in the question they will just tell you, okay, the DC value of the system is equivalent to how many? So you know that this is the AC is referred to the A naught. All right. So in order to find the A naught ANBN, it has its own formula. Okay, this is the formula for the trigonometric Fourier series. Okay, and not you have the formula of 1 over t, okay, xt dt. And then you have the an, you have 2 over t xt cos n omega dot t dt. And then for the bn, and then you have 2 over t xt sin n omega dot t dt. Okay, so take note that you have the omega naught is equal to 2 pi over t. Now let's look at the example. Okay, this is the example 1. Signal in this figure is described like this, where tau is given a positive constant, pulse width. So it's tau over 2, and then from minus tau over 2 to tau over 2. So determine the trigonometry Fourier series expansion of these signals. Okay, so first of all, we need to find the A naught, AN, and BN based on the formula that I told you just now. Alright, okay, let's do it together. So you know that the A naught, this is the formula, is 1 over T naught from tau over 2 to tau over 2. Then xt dt. Okay, so in the question T naught is, in the question the T naught given is, this one is T naught, okay? The fundamental period is T naught. Okay, so 1 over T naught from minus tau over 2 to tau over 2 with the impulse is 1 dt. So you integrate 1 equal to t. And then you substitute the value of t to tau over 2. And then another one is minus tau over 2. Then what do you get? Yes, 2 tau over 2. So it's tau. So it's tau over t naught. Okay, so this is the A naught. And then you go to find the AN. AN, as I told you just now, the formula is 2 over T naught. And then the xt cos n omega naught t dt. Again, the xt is equal to 1. So, okay, from negative tau over 2 to tau over 2, xt is equal to 1 cos n 2 pi over t naught is equal to omega naught. Okay, and then you integrate, you get 2 over t naught, 2 over t naught, and then you integrate, you from the cos you get sine, right? So some more you have t naught over 2 pi. And then you copy down the limits. Okay, so then you substitute the value. Okay, you substitute the value of the t, substitute the value of t. So this one cancel out. So you get 1 over pi. I miss out the n. Okay, pi n. And then sine, I have 2 pi n tau over 2. Okay, over t naught. Then minus sine 2 pi n over t naught minus t tau over 2. Okay, so I have minus 1 over pi n sine, so I cancel out this one. I have n pi tau over t naught plus sine n pi tau over t naught again. So you have here and here you plus, so you have 2 n pi sine n pi tau over t naught. Okay, so this is the an. Okay. So you also can test what is the value for this sine n pi tau over t naught. Next, you find for the Bn is 2 over t naught, and then xt sine n omega naught t dt is equivalent to 2 over t naught. Again, from minus tau over 2 to tau over 2, xt is 1, then sine 2 pi nt over t naught again, dt. Then you do the integration of the sine is minus cos, right? So this is the part of the integration, and then you get minus cos 2 pi nt over t naught, because this is from the integration of sine, you get negative cos. Then you substitute the value. Substitute the value. Minus cos 2 pi nt naught. So substitute for negative tau over 2. Okay. And then at the end you get this one. So you cancel out, so you only left pi n tau over t naught plus cos negative pi n tau over t naught. So if these two is the same or not the same? Cos n pi tau over t naught with negative cos n pi. So you can just try to test. Negative cos, let's say you put negative cos pi, let's say it's a negative cos pi. What's the answer? Equal to 1. Then you have cos negative pi. Is it you get the same things? You get negative 1, right? So if you have negative cos 2 pi, you get negative 1. And then what if cos negative 2 pi? Then you get 1. So it is not the same. So 1 is, let's say you have 1, 1 minus 1, you get 0. Minus 1 plus 1, I'll get 0. So this one, you get 0 here. So once you get A0, AN, BN, so you can write down your Fourier series expansion. A0 is the formula. A0 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity. AN cos 2 pi nt over T0 plus Bn sine 2 pi nt over T0. So T0 value, as I mentioned to you just you calculate just now, is tau over T0, right? Tau over T0. So tau over T0. And then plus with the summation. And then AN. Okay, AN you from here is 2 over n pi sine n pi tau over T0. So you write down your answer. 2 over n pi sine n pi tau over T0. And then multiply with the Bn is 0. Oh, no, you have this one is the AN only. And you still have cos 2 n pi t over T0. Okay? So this is the A0. So you have the A0 and AN. Then you can, also you have Bn, so you can write down in the form of trigonometric Fourier series. So the formula you need to remember. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.